them say we not stop count dollar bill.
Yeah.
We not stop count dollar bill. Can't stop count. Make the money, but I one thing. Me sure, me grow right. No guns out, for no fly. Me know a poor life from a pro die. So me don't joke.
Hold on. Yo.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. Hey, move around.
Yo. What go on, people? Yo, catch pre. Yo, what go on now? Rytikal. Bad artist. Full of lyrics. Full of flow. We do a couple songs to him before, you see me? I think about time we overdo for the next one, don't it? Yeah, man. So, check out Rytikal new song, Dolla Bill, for the channel. Yeah, man. Let's get it. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload them. Returning viewers and subscribe. I don't know, some love on the like. Cook food, don't stop, keep it coming. We're growing over here. That get stronger and stronger. You see me I say? So, yeah, man. So, like me I say, people, yeah, man, Rytikal. Very, lyrical, versatile type of artist. You see me? Career just start. But we want to see him going on, man. Man, drop some mad tune. You see me? So, yeah, man, what do you see? Me feed like drop a new song in type of Dolla Bill. And I say, yo, I react to it, later on, I see it, and then I forget about the damn song. You see me? I know I see it pop up again. So I say, yeah, man, I have to check it out this time. You see me? This is Rytikal, Dolla Bill. You see me? Without further ado, I jump right in the track. Let's get it. Hey, the camera, I use bad. You fuck do you? Yeah, man. Graphics look up. Hey, I'm not lying. I miss the sound of the foul crew in the morning, dog. Yeah, man. Remember, I used to wake up to them things here. Yeah, blood cleaners on the days. I want to go out. Go on. Are you on with that? Eh? Bumbo clock. You mean what? Me rate that youth a save. You see me? Me a young used to love saving too, after them. Yeah. Every youth who watch this right now, make sure you save no matter how could have be a penny. You see me, it's not much about what you make, it's how much you keep. You see what I say? Bumbo clock. I open the teeth, my teeth,
and the most admired person.
Dollar bill, more money, that time more vibes. More money, more
dollar
bill.
Hey, Richie, I don't talk about USA beat yeah, Michi. Although Jamaica been a use US long time, but I know about the tongue they have the US. I use down there. That's what I say. Yeah, man. Bumbo clock. Go on.
Mama, what we tell them say? We not stop count dollar bill. We not stop count dollar bill. Can't stop count. Make the money, but I one thing.
Well learn. You Ricky, do not let me down, dog. Do not let me down, cause they start in a epic, dog. You see me, they start in a epic. So, I'm gonna bring you from the top, brother. And just deal with it. Just do the right thing for the track. I'm not gonna stop. You see it from the start. Come in. Yeah, man, do the right thing, brother. I like it, man. Do the right thing. You see me, I say? Do the right thing with it.
Who's the richest and the most admired person.
Dollar bill, more money, that are more vibes. More money, more dollar bill. More, what we tell them say? We not stop count dollar bill.
Yeah.
We not stop count dollar bill. Can't stop count. Make the money, but I one thing. Me sure, me grow right. No guns out, for no fly. Me know a poor life from a pro die. So me don't joke.
Hold on. Yo! My lighter nothing want work. I want to go on, dog. Bumbo clock, Rytikal, mash up my lighter, me J. Bumbo clock, I want to go on. Ball up! You hear man say, hey, for one thing me sure about, me grow right. Never grows out. If you take flight. Bumbo clock, the them dog. Yo! Hey! I want to go for my lighter, God, this song about already, you know.
You fi know why. One life, so me have to make the most side. Me outside and I make the money count rise. Me have to be like estate that a gold mine. Assets, big chrome 9 in my sport drive.
Hey, me used to have one of them BMW, I know, until me crash my thing. But yeah, man, you do your thing with it. Yeah, do your thing, me Jimmy. They have one of them things back in the, what was that? A couple years ago. This should been like a couple years now. Shit, time fly. We used to have the same. Yeah, man. Man was in blue though. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, thing mad. Yeah, man, do your thing with the dog. Yo, you see dog have a thing by the side. Yeah, by the lap, dog, that bad. Yeah, but the customers next to him. But
I don't joke. You have to know why. One life, so me have to make the most.
Yeah, man, you don't know, say. No, say, yeah, man, have to represent for the woman. Them. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Anywhere we there, woman have to there. You see me, and woman there, we have to there. You don't know. You don't know.
Outside, me outside, and I make the money count rise. Me have to be like estate that a gold mine. Assets, big chrome 9 in my sport drive. Nothing no normal in my house size. Fat be man touch out on the roadside. I know nothing fi get girl fi skin out night. As bitch smell me cologne so she clothes fly.
Clot, I know nothing fi blood clot, blood. Easy, so that's it. I have to think on the lap. What is that? Taurus? What is that? I don't know, but still, right? Yo, we can't still good dog. I want to go on. But anyway, yeah, man. I like your song so far, man. I like your song so far.
Big chrome 9 in my sport ride. Nothing no normal in my house size. Fat be man touch out on the roadside. I know nothing fi get girl fi skin out night. As bitch smell me cologne so she clothes fly.
Bumbo cloud. When I say fat be my park up on the roadside. With a what? What a girl? I know nothing fi get girl fi skin out night. As a bitch smell me cologne. Our clothes fly. Easy na bumbo clarity. Ricky me G.
More money, that are more vibes. From me you say more money, you say more life. Yeah, me have to make sure mommy don't cry. So until that me not stop on money. More money, yeah. More money, more dollar bill. More money, yeah. More dollar bill. More money.
Hey, you know what this song remind me of? This thing remind me of Black Rhino. Dolla. Wait, go. Dolla. Bumbo Clam, I can't remember the song, but I find the song. I'm probably put a little snippet right, but yeah, man, that remind me of Black Rhino. If you big, you know. Black Rhino, if you big, oh, you're big already, you know. Yeah, you know I run tune.
Money, yeah. More money, more dollar bill.
Hey.
More money, yeah. More dollar bill. Me the outdoors, that a me lifestyle. That's why me roll cold, so me devil like smile. Money for store, sure, something in the pipeline. If I no money, I phone, but no start dial. Then ya make the money fully, I no part time. Me no want see you when me rich if you no part time. Nothing but me no got the wall in the fast life. Me remember my past life, that's why me have a hard drive. On the road, they be
God. Remember my past life. That's why me have a hard drive. How the bumbo clock to them. Hey! Listen to what the man I say, man. Oh,
I see a load, yacht on the coastline. Money load, gal skin out flying. Half duffel bag a load while a couple gal a blow dry me. Enjoy the most I give, not stop count. More money, that are more vibes. From me you say more money, you say more life. Yeah, me have to make sure mommy don't cry. So until that me not stop on money. More money, yeah. More money, more dollar bill. More money.
Yo, people, I know and think in the comment section. You see me, I say drop the fire emoji, garbage can emoji, whatever I think. Let me know if it's a hit or a miss. Don't know on the thing said. If you don't like it, you can show the artist some love and make you know it's a Jambisco send them know. You see me, I say, yeah man, really dope track. Rytikal, yeah, do me thing, me G. You see me up and coming. You see me, I say, yo, where the tune?
More money, yeah, more dollar bill. More money, yeah. More money, more dollar bill. More money, yeah. More dollar bill. Me sure, me grow right. No guns out, for no flight. Me know poor life, I'm a proud eye. So me don't joke, you have to know why. One life, so me have to make the most side. Me outside and I make the money count rise. Me have to be like estate that a gold mine. Assets, big chrome 9 in my sport ride. Nothing no normal in One life, so me have to make the most side. Me outside and I make the money count rise. Me have to be like state that a gold mine. Assets, big chrome 9 in my sport drive. Nothing.
Baby, where go on?
One life, so me have to make the most side. Me outside and I make the money count rise. Me have to be like state that a gold mine. Assets, big chrome 9.
With the chrome, eh? Tell them to be in the roll with the chrome and you look good too. Bumbo clad, girl. Easy, man. Hey,
Now me sport right, nothing normal in me house size. Fat be my touch out on the roadside. I know nothing fi get girl fi skin out night. As bitch smell me cologne so she close fly. More money that a more vibes. From me you say more money, you say more life. Yeah, me have to make sure mommy don't cry. So until that me not stop on money. More money, yeah. More money, more dollar bill. More money, yeah, more dollar bill. More money, yeah. More money, more dollar bill. More money, yeah, more dollar bill.
Bumbo clad. More money, yeah. More money, more dollar bill. Bumbo clad. You mean, man? You mean more dollar bill? I want to you. You see me when thugs out house in the street. Every night from police jeep. I know if you love it. Easy! Ritik! Yeah man, my G. You find it. Real dope track, man. Yeah man, real dope track by Rytikal, guys. You see me? Entitled Dollar Bill. If you like it track, definitely go show out some love like always. Make you know say Jambisco said me. You see me? Let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me I say? Yeah man, me know one thing. Write a beat, lyrics, flow. Yeah, let me know what you like about the song. You like the topic. You see me I say subject matter, let me know. You see me I say, yeah man, really dope track from Rytikal. Really skill and talented youth, you see me? You know, potential and you know, in future bright in our business. So definitely show out some love. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Once again, it's a boy, Jambisco, and give another hit and a smash, another banger. You see me? Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.